There's a secret mission in an uncharted backyard. Your directive. Have fun.
Alright, please stand here one more time. There you go.
Guys, it is super hot. That's why I got this fan. If you want to get this fan, look on Amazon.com and search for fans for girls or something like that. Or like neck fans, and it'll show this. Oh, that's so cool. That one, that one. Let's get started. Let's go. Let's get started. Let's go. Yeah, adios means goodbye in Spanish. Adios.